falls down from a tree.
An ant crawls up a plant.
Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, letter A. Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, hooray! Airplane starts with letter A.
See the airplane fly. It goes up, up and away. Up in the air so high.
Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, letter A. Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, hooray! Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, letter A. Clap your hands for letter A, letter A, hooray! Letter A, hooray!
Welcome back. Click on the next activity. Patty paints red, yellow, and blue. My name is Patty. I like to do lots of things. I like to play in my yard on my slide. I like to do puzzles. I like to read. I also like to paint. My Grandma Jean says that I paint very well. She calls me an artist. She should know because she's an artist too. Grandma Jean bought me an easel and paper for painting. She bought me paintbrushes. She bought me jars of paint. She even bought me an apron to wear when I paint so that I don't get my clothes dirty. It's called a painting smock. And Grandma Jean is teaching me all about colors. Today, I painted with 3 very pretty colors. They are red, yellow, and blue. Grandma Jean told me that these are called primary colors. What are primary colors? I asked Grandma Jean. Patty, she said, primary colors are the 3 colors that make all of the other colors. Primary means first. So today, I painted with these 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And it was so much fun, too. First, I painted with red. What things are red? I asked Grandma. You tell me, she answered. She always likes me to figure things out for myself. I know, I shouted, and I started to paint all the things I could think of that are red. A red tomato, a red heart, a red fire truck, red cherries, a red ladybug. I looked at my paintings and I was very proud of myself. I looked at Grandma Jean to see what she thought. She was smiling too. There's something else, she said, and it's right in front of you. I looked around. Of course! It was my red painting smock. I laughed and painted a picture of myself wearing my red smock. Can I paint with yellow now? I asked. Why, of course, she said. I bet you can find lots of things in this backyard that are yellow. I looked around my yard. I saw the yellow sun. I saw yellow lemons on a lemon tree. And I saw yellow flowers. I can think of other things that are yellow too, I said. I'm sure you can, smiled Grandma Jean. There's yellow butter, I said. A yellow chick. A yellow banana. And yellow corn on the cob. Yum! I painted all 4. So far, I had painted with 2 primary colors, red and yellow. I was very excited. I looked at my jar of blue paint. Now I'll paint with blue, I announced. I could tell Grandma Jean was excited too. She smiled and clapped. I opened my jar of blue paint and I painted all of the blue things I could think of. A bluebird, a blue sky, blue jeans, blueberries, a blue mailbox. Very good, Patty, said Grandma Jean. But there's something else that's blue. Do you see it? She asked. She had her arms spread out like she was trying to tell me something. It's your blue smock, I shouted. So I painted Grandma Jean in her blue painting smock. Now I had painted with all of the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. We were done for the day, and it was time to go inside. I cleaned up my paints and brushes like good artists do. Later on, I asked my mother if I could hang up my pictures. She said that I could. I went to my room and put all my pictures up on the wall. I looked at all of the colors, red, yellow, and blue. Now I know the primary colors. The end.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity. Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Do you see anything red, yellow, and blue?
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
There are three primary colors. They are red and yellow and blue. When any two colors are mixed together, they make a brand new color for you. There are three secondary colors. Yellow and blue together make green. Red and yellow make orange. Red and blue make purple. Colors that you all have seen. We all have seen. Colors make everything beautiful. Colors bring joy to our eyes. The colors of flowers, of leaves in the fall. A sunset, a rainbow, and beautiful blue skies. Then there's black, brown, gray, and white. Colors that you see every day. Dirt is brown, snow is white, the night sky is black. Rain, clouds, and dolphins, they are gray. When you look all around, you see colors. No matter where you go, there they are. It's so much fun to learn about colors. They're all around us, near and far. Near and far. Colors make everything beautiful. Colors bring joy to our eyes. The colors of flowers, of leaves in the fall. A sunset, a rainbow, and beautiful blue skies. Colors make everything beautiful. Colors bring joy to our eyes. The colors of flowers, of leaves in the fall. A sunset, a rainbow, and beautiful blue skies.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Balloon. Balloon. B. Balloon. 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 Balloon.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity. Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Letter B says B.
Letter B says B.
B, B, B.
B, B, B.
Balloon, baby, butterfly.
Balloon, baby, butterfly.
B, letter B.
B, letter B.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
B is for bell.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Letter B. Is fun for me. Baby, hear the sound. Baby, all around. Letter B. Is fun for me.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Letter B on the fence. Look at the letters being painted on the fence and click on the one you hear.
Play.
Click on the letter you hear. B. Very good. Click on the letter you hear. B. Fantastic. Click on the letter you hear. B. Fantastic. Nice job.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Letter B. Click on the letter you hear. B. You got it. Click on the letter you hear. B. Click on the letter you hear. B. Excellent. Click on the letter you hear. B. Wonderful. Terrific.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.
Nursery rhyme. Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock.
Welcome back! Click on the next activity.